Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 17, 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.85. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 30.44%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 1.38% since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $269.72 is breached, it will indicate a potentially stronger decline. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -20.68% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return fluctuating between -32.28% and 35.98%. Evaluating the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of -13.06%. According to our forecasts, the stock's performance could vary from -24.68% to 62.55% over the next year. In practical terms, this would position the future price between $237.91 and $513.47. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group features the headline, "A very strong day for UnitedHealth Group stock price on Monday." On the last trading day, which was Monday, the stock price of UnitedHealth Group experienced a notable increase of 8.21%, rising from $291.91 to $315.89. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 6.41%, with a low of $297.25 and a high of $316.29. However, it's worth noting that the price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 21.97% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume decreased by 9 million shares, with a total of 60 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $18.80 billion. This decline in volume amidst rising prices could signal a divergence, potentially serving as an early warning of changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $630.73 and its lowest price of $248.88. Currently, the stock price stands at 49.92%, or $314.84, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also marks the all-time high for this stock. UnitedHealth Group stock has experienced a notable surge today, primarily driven by the recent substantial purchase of $25 million in company shares by its new CEO. This action has instilled a sense of confidence among investors, demonstrating a commitment to the company's future. However, it is important to note that UnitedHealth continues to face legal challenges and leadership issues, which could lead to caution among some analysts despite the short-term gains. On a broader market scale, U.S. equity indices are supported by strong performances in the biotechnology and healthcare sectors, benefiting stocks like UnitedHealth. Nevertheless, the company's stock is still recovering from a significant year-to-date decline of over 40%. This drop raises concerns about its immediate outlook, but also presents potential value opportunities for investors seeking bargain stocks. Additionally, news of a class action lawsuit related to securities fraud against UnitedHealth may create hesitation among potential investors in the long run, as litigation risks can influence stock performance and market perception. In the short term, the positive momentum from insider buying and favorable market trends could propel the stock further. Yet, the ongoing legal challenges and negative analyst perspectives may hinder its recovery in the long term. Investors will need to remain vigilant as these factors evolve. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned UNH an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, the 14th of May, 2025, Raymond James assigned UNH a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, RBC Capital assigned UNH an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, HSBC assigned UNH a hold rating with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, Cowen and Company assigned UNH a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned UnitedHealth Group stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as sell, while the price-to-book ratio is categorized as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have designated the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 15.14%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite the increase in prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. The UnitedHealth Group stock holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $322.99 and $448.49. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots generated a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 23 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 20 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe that the short moving average indicated a sell signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 23 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 18 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $311.38. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, exhibiting high volatility. With a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $19.05 between its high and low points, equating to a change of 6.41%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.55%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate either a muted outlook for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $5.61. It's vital to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $378.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group encounters its first support level at $311.38. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of May, 2025, Rex John F. conducted an insider purchase of 17,175 shares of common stock. On the same day, Hemsley Stephen J. purchased 86,700 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. also bought 602,773 shares of non-qualified stock options, which grants the right to buy. On the 14th of May, 2025, Flynn Timothy Patrick purchased 1,533 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Gil Kristen conducted an insider buy of 3,700 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider activity is positive with a power ratio of 88.081. In total, insiders acquired 1,049,119 shares and divested 70,439 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently have a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? Currently, UnitedHealth Group presents several negative signals and is trending downward in a significant manner, suggesting that it may continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, our evaluation of this stock remains pessimistic. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 20th of May, we anticipate that UnitedHealth Group will open lower by $6.08, starting at $309.81. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.